Hey, this is Matt. I just want to show you a few things with switching user agents in your browser. So this is my test I have here. This is not a mobile device, and this is in Firefox. And what I did is I installed the extension, default user agent, and or it's called user agent swapper. And it actually only comes with maybe about 4 of these by default. But they have this great import feature, and they have a link to a site where you can download a huge list of user agents, and I did that. And then you can go and right away they have the iPhone 3, so that's just a mobile one. You choose that, and then you're gonna have to refresh the page, and then you'll see right away it says this is a mobile device. As soon as that's because of my script that I have here that I talked about in the article, and you can test it out with other ones. Mobile devices, you can go by operating system. Here's Android. Pretty much any Android is going to come up and always say this is a mobile device. Or if you switch over to, let's say, Internet Explorer 8, this is not a mobile device. So that one is a really robust feature that really lets you do a lot of different ones. For example, like the script that I found, the is mobile script that I have in the article, it was really thorough, but one that it didn't have, which is not super common, but one that I found here in this list is the Palm. Of course, there's not hardly anybody using Palm pilots anymore, but I was like, might as well add that in there. So I added the Palm function in there as well, so that when if anybody ever uses a Palm device, it's still going to show up correctly here as well. This is a mobile device, Palm. Nice. Like I mentioned, you can also do some of these things with Internet Explorer. It's a bit more simple. You can see right here, this is down at the bottom, they have the user agent. But what's really cool here is that it's basically, they have live refresh. You can see it switches right away. Go to any other one. This is mobile. This is the Windows Phone. Internet Explorer 10, it's not. And then back to iPad, this is a mobile device. So honestly, Internet Explorer really did a great job on that one. And then of course there's also, there's also of course Chrome, and Chrome has some really great developer tools, and there's several articles I found out there that talked about switching the user agent in Chrome, and they just weren't updated because the developer tools in Chrome have been updated quite a lot. But basically, whenever you open up your panel down here where you normally find errors or whatnot, one of these here is emulation. And right here it says spoof the user agent. So you can tell it, I want it to be an iPad. And it says right here that you're going to have to refresh the page. Once I do that, it says this is a mobile device, no problem. If I set it back to be just Chrome, refresh it, this is not a mobile device. So all of these work really well. Internet Explorer is the only one with the live refresh, which is really cool. Firefox is the one that has some really robust, a big long list of user agents that you can use. So choose your poison, whatever you like. Hope you enjoyed the article. Thanks a bunch.